Hello everybody, I am here today with some big news. If you haven't seen yet, I made the Country Craft Creations design team with my 6x6 mini album tutorial, and I plan on doing some awesome tutorials for you guys with their awesome products. So I'm first this week what I'd like to do is share my design team package, my first ever design team package. She got it out super quick. If you guys didn't know, they're doing a retreat right now, and then there's also one in no, there's two in 2019, so check out the website and you'll see the links to those. So how fun is that to scrapbook with other people? Because I don't know about you guys, but I have no scrapbooking people anywhere around me. So, my design team package. It came with green tissue paper, and I'm going to use this. It's not going to be one of my design team videos, but I am going to use this for my junk journal covers, so be on the lookout for that. So that's awesome. Thank you very much. I love repurposing stuff, so that's what that's going to be. And here is my very first Country Craft Creation design team package. I got some art glitter glue. It dries clear, and I also got the fine tip with it, so I'm excited about this. I had purchased some tips from Hobby Lobby, and they didn't work, so I'm excited to try this, and I'm excited to actually use some glitter with it. I have a whole array of glitter, and I never use it because if you put normal glue on it, it's kind of clumpy. So we're gonna try this out. So I got some essentials here. I got some 1/8 inch score tape, which is super cool. Because I'm thinking you can use this sometimes when I make my mini albums. There's like a flap or something where I don't want that huge 1/2 inch hinge on it, but I just want a small one so it doesn't stick out so much. So I think that would be good for this. And then also, if you're doing shaker pockets and you don't want to get out your fuse tool, I think this is a good substitution, so we'll try that. I have this Technique Tuesdays Happy Birthday stamp with a to and a from, so you can expect to see some cards. I have some magnets from Basic Gray, which these are awesome. If you've never used these magnets yet before, they have adhesive on them, and they also tell you their polarity on the back. I'll show you here. So there's the negatives, and then there's a side of positives also. So there are positives, trust me. There we go. So the negatives and positives, so it's kind of a cheat sheet. You don't have to try it out. I got this awesome AK Success bone folder. Now I have bone folders, but I've got to say, this one's like pretty heavy duty. It feels like it feels like bone. I mean, it was made of plastic. I don't think it's made of bone, but it just feels more heavy duty. I've been using my Cricut bone folder for ages. Of course, I can't find it right now, but here it is. So it's not nearly as heavy duty as this one is. This one is not bending at all. But what I noticed is the metal tip is, there's a little ridge right there, and it leaves creases in my paper where I fold it. So I'm excited to use this. I'm gonna put this in my essentials here. And then I got some card or chipboard, which is awesome. Thank you so much for the generosity. and I'm going to say that's enough to do 2 mini albums, or 1 mini and a box. And this is heavy duty chipboard, and she does offer this at her store, so check that out. It's it is heavier than what I normally use, so good for keeping things longer. And I got some trims here, which are always nice to add to your projects, and the reds and greens. I think this is seam binding, red and green for Christmas time. The black can also be Christmas, like I can see the red and black together, and then I think the black and white check, and then the silver. I like this lace. Look at that. That is, I'm thinking that's like more Halloween. So now my favorite part is the papers, and I've got a couple different collections here, and I looked online before I did the video, and I'll tell you a little bit about the paper. So this is the Echo Park Bewitched line. They have packs. They sell them separately. Country Craft Creations sells those separately, or they have like the packs, but the packs have additional things, and I'm like the sticker sheet and stuff like that. So definitely check it out, look at the options, and make sure you get enough paper for your project. Okay, so check this paper out. This has the essence of Happy Halloween and the Bewitched, like, old TV series. So Samantha, and so Bewitched paper with the witches. It's got a nice border strip here, and on the back there's like this huge I don't know if they call it, this is just a check, I think. It's not the plaid. And then these awesome cut aparts, again with the border strips, very nice. And these are the 3x4 cut aparts. And then a nice purple on the back. Purples, blacks, oranges, golds, whites, and then like a different color purple. I'm really liking the papers here. Cute pumpkins. And then the border strip. It's a nice bright white with the orange and purple, and a floral. And look at that. I may use one of these sheets on something a bit different. Loving that. And then the 4x4s. And the plaid on the back. Hats and boots. Bats. Cute bats. And like a page of labels. So how fun would this be if you're having a Halloween party? I can see using these on like the little cards that you put who's sitting, or what is in the containers if you're having food or drinks, or even just using these on a little bottle. A big polka dot. Cute purple and orange butterflies. It's like classic. That reminds me of old wallpaper. Cute border strips. I love the cat. And the candy. And again with the witch. Owls. It's going to be a tough decision. Candy. And another... I can't think of the name of this right now. It'll come to me when I'm done. Cats. And a nice black and white stripe. Then we got some 2x2s, 4x6s, and 4x6 verticals. Super cute. Witch Please, Boo Crew, cute, and spider webs on the back. Okay, and then we have some Authentique Spectrum paper, and this is Orchid. It's going to go really good with my Halloween paper, and it's striped on the back, and this has a texture to it too, so add some interest to your projects. I really like the polka dot. Several sheets of that, and then an orange again. It's going to go great with the project. And this one's wood connection and also by Authentique, but it's the orange that matches stripe on one side and the little check on the other side, and it does have a texture too. So these two are Authentique that are going to go great with the Echo Park here. So the colors coordinate really well. I see what you were thinking there. And then we have Photoplay, and this line's called Santa. Here Comes Santa. And this one also comes in single sheets, and it comes in a collector's pack. The collector's pack has, I think it has one of each sheet, and then it has this a 12 by 12 sticker too. So be sure you do your research to find out what you want. And again, these seam bindings are going to go really well with this. First I got the Photoplay microchip shapes, and they're smaller. They're not as big as the ones that come in the 12 by 12, and they're also a bit thinner. There's actually 2 sheets in here, and I do like the fact that they're thinner. I normally peel off a layer of chipboard, so those are neat. I can definitely see using these on the cover of a small mini album. I have, in my possession, I got 3 of each sheet and a candy cane stripe. And look at this little cute thing on there. And then this is the 4x6 and the 4x4 cut aparts. Cute. December 25. So I'm like, not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a mini album, if I'm going to do a December daily. I'm doing a December daily. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this collection or not. 3x4 cut aparts. And these are all classic Christmas colors, guys. So if you're a traditionalist, this is for you. There's a plaid. And then the 2x2s are so very cute. This is making me lean towards the December daily, but I've used these in many albums too. So torn, again, a nice white with a polka dot, and then ornaments, black with a white polka dot, and I love these snowflakes. They're black with a gray snowflake, like a green plaid. And how cute are those Santa Clauses? Cute stockings. And red and white snowflakes. Love this pattern. And big red with white polka dot. And then a nice tone-on-tone red plaid. Almost done, guys. And then a tone-on-tone green holly, and a nice deep green white polka dot. So guys, that is my design team package. I'm super excited. I'm so happy you joined me for this journey. So definitely stick around, see what I create, and below I will link Tamara's store, Country Craft Creations, and a link to each project. So I thank you very much. Have a great afternoon, evening, whatever time of day it is for you, and come back and join me. I appreciate every one of you. Thanks, and bye-bye.